Hi, my name's Gemma Horner. I'm Head of Education for Kryolan UK. Kryolan is one of the leading makeup brands for the professional industry and have been supplying makeup for over 70 years. We have over 16,000 product lines and are in over 80 different countries worldwide. We will be bringing our new product, Pure Pigment Metallics. There's over 9 colours in the range, and you have to use a product called Mixing Medium to mix with the pure pigments to create a highly reflective eye makeup, or you can use it for body painting, and it creates like a liquid metal for the face. We also have new additions to our lip product called Lip Stain, and we have these bespoke 3 colour sets. They create a velvety matte finish, very long lasting, beautiful for like bridal wear when you need that longevity throughout those special days. I highly recommend for people to attend professional beauty. It's a great opportunity to network, the educational side as well. There's so many educators delivering new information, new products, new ingredients, and that's how I got into this industry, by attending professional beauty.